My sister says she knows how to drive. So, today we're going to see if she knows how to drive. And if not, I'll give her a couple lessons, just a little tap in, maybe a 5-minute lesson on how to drive, how to go straight, and maybe how to reverse if the parking lot is empty. So you drove in a car before? You driven a car before?
Yes, Clary.
You know how to drive, Ayla?
I know how to get around. I'm not the best driver, but I can do something.
Okay, well, you're 14. It's okay. It's time. It's time for you to learn. Start practicing. So we'll see. She said she's trying to get around. Let's see if she even can back up.
I know how to drive. And, listen, I can do this.
Okay, you can do this.
I acted out of our driveway.
You did?
Yes, in Talon's car. You don't listen. I've told you, I've drove before. I've drove to school.
Okay, guys. So we'll see. We'll see if she can drive. She getting her mama right now. She got her. All right, let me go test this theory. Hey guys, it's me, Klarissica, here on Klarissica Says, where Klarissica says on That's How I Feel. So we're back with another video. Today we are going to do a teach my sister how to drive video because she says she knows how to drive and I don't think she knows how to drive. And if she don't know how to drive, that's okay. This is a moment where she can drive and we can learn how to drive together. See, she look at her. She's confident. She is so confident right now, guys. Like, she's so confident. Okay, let's see. Go ahead, adjust your seats, adjust your mirrors, make sure you can see. Can you see out of that one? Can you see out of that one? All right. Push how you start the car. Okay, in order to start the car, because it's a push to start car, you push your foot on the brake.
Which one's the brake?
I thought you knew how to drive. All right. Here, you press that, press it. Look at you, futuristic moments. Back in the day, you didn't have a push to start car. Is it in D is for drive, Ayla? You're into D. How are you into D? And we're parked, baby. Reverse. Slow. Put the brake on, baby. Put the brake on. The brake.
You're making me nervous.
No. Okay, seriously.
Okay,
look, seriously. You cannot, whenever you reverse it, you never go fast. You always go slow. Now put the thing into drive. Put this into drive. Hold on. You're reversing the wrong way.
Which way are we going?
Okay, go that way then. Go ahead. You can go right. But you gotta always be mindful that this is over here to the left of you. And you be mindful that's in the front. So then put your thing into drive. Whenever you let go, you go slow. Whenever you're reversing. And whenever you start driving, you always go slow. Can you make it? All right, push it. Slowly. Slow. Now fix your wheel. Now go slow. Yeah, you driving. Okay, now you see how, wait, Ayla, you're getting too heavy. See how this arrow's going this way? You're supposed to be in this lane, but you can keep going. We're gonna practice and go around the circle. Go around. Okay, Ayla, you driving? Okay, fix the wheel, fix the wheel. Good job. Good job. Now the stop sign, what do? You gradually put the foot on the brake, slow and nice. Yeah. Good job at the stop sign, not before, but good job. All right, stop sign. Stop sign. You got to stop at the stop sign.
I just did.
No, you didn't. You stopped back there. So you would have got a ticket. You always stop at the stop sign. All right? You're going to go straight or make a right. Then why he's there? You gonna put, wherever you go, you going straight? All right, go straight then. Okay. Slow. Okay, well, I guess you can go. You going here? How you gonna turn without putting your blinker on? Okay, now go. Slowly.
Oh shoot.
Okay, go. Now go straight. Go straight. Okay, you wanna make a left? Put your blinker on. Now go left. Alright, now fix your wheel. Go straight. Now remember, this time try to be at the stop sign. Alright, now truck. Slow down. Ayla, you gonna speed past the stop sign?
I'm at it, right?
All right. Left. Slow. Ayla, you didn't even know how to drive in reverse. You got it now. Go ahead. Don't she getting a little cocky now, guys? She getting a little cocky. Okay, your side is this side of the road. This side of the road. See the stop signs on the right side.
Dang, all these stop signs.
That's the point. Okay, now slow down and get to the stop sign where the white line is where you want to put your perfect. Perfect. Do you see any cars coming? No. You didn't look to the right. You didn't look to the left. You would have got hit. Keep going.
I can feel a car.
No, you can't feel a car. That's how you get accidents. Everybody can feel a car until that car hits you and you could, oh, then you feel that car. Make a left. Slow down. Slow down. We're in the parking lot. Speed limits. And you would have hit all these cars in this speed. Hit all the cars in that parking spot. So you gotta pretend.
Like that.
You gotta pretend like they are.
Yeah, pretending that they're cars.
See, like that truck. That's the point. You gotta pretend.
The gas, right?
5, yeah, that's the gas. The right one is the gas. The left one is the brake.
At least I'm driving with one foot.
Well, that's how you're supposed to. So good job. Good job. Good job. Okay, what are you doing? Okay. Make a left. Put your blinkers on and make a left. We're not going that way because there's no way to get out. And you're really messed up because I don't trust you reversing that much. Go. You have the right of way. You were first. Oh, see? That's why you always have paying attention. Good job. Nice defensive driving. You see? I wish I would have showed y'all. She was first. The person just went, oh, they're going too. I should turn around and y'all. These people, y'all don't follow the rules of the road. That's my point. You see how they don't follow the rules of the road? That's my point. You gotta always pay attention because people don't be following. Hey, you too close to the edge. Okay, good. Straight. People don't be paying attention. Slow down for your pedestrian. Pedestrians always get their right away. She walking hella slow, lady. Go across the road. All right, go.
She got a nerve to look back like. Okay.
She looked back too, right?
Like, hello. She's still looking like, hello, child. You're walking very slow, so you're waiting for you to move.
All right. Slow. Now at this right here, I need you to make a left because I don't want to go. Put your blinkers on.
Where?
That entrance right there.
I'm tired of these people. Why they gotta walk across the street when I want to?
Well, you want to drive?
Like, there's all these other chances you have to walk across the street. Now you wanna walk
Okay. All right, now I want you to park the vehicle. There's 2 parking spots. You can choose whichever one. Hey, stop sign. Oh, you would have got a ticket.
I didn't know. That's not
fair.
It
is. You have to always pay attention. You have to always pay attention. If you're gonna do it, you have to always pay attention. You can't even the hidden stop signs. I'm gonna show you how to stop sign though. The stop sign kind of hidden.
What in the world? How am I supposed to see that?
But you have to. You see the stop sign? But you have to always pay attention. All right. So you stop at the stop sign. Or you gonna run it again. All right. Now you're gonna park. Let's see if you get in between the lines. Okay, don't hit the thing. All right, what do you do? Let me check and see. Let me check and see how you did. Okay, you're in between the lines. You can come up a little bit more. Take it out of park. Put it to drive, slow. Come on, stop. Come on. Stop. Now get out. Put it into park and get out. Is it in park? Okay, you see how it's right there? That's how you want it to be. You drove! Ayla! You drove her first driving lesson. How about you know how to drive? Girl, you didn't know how to put it in reverse.
Yes, I did.
Good job! Take you to Popeyes. Good job. Yay, Ayla. Ayla. Okay, so what do you have to say for the camera, for people that are learning how to drive? What was your experience? How do you feel about it?
Taking me to Popeyes.
Girl, for real.
You feel the same. It doesn't feel no
You're
different.
the same. You didn't even drive properly when I first put you in the seatbelt.
Because you was recording this stuff and I was nervous.
Okay, so my question again is, what advice can you give to people that are just learning how to drive?
Don't drive with a YouTuber.
Boy, if you don't.
First advice. Second advice. If you go by the police, don't be scared. Better act like you know how to drive.
Third advice?
Third advice. Just drive.
What other advice? Okay, so advice that I give to new drivers: pay attention to stop signs. I thought you were going to say something about the people that were coming out. Pay attention to people that are around you, because just because you are driving and you think that they know what you're going to do, they don't. And that was a good prime example, because she was at a stop sign with the left blinker on. She went to the stop sign first. The opposite stop sign adjacent on the road had, for them to go either right or left, and both drivers went right in front of her when she was there first. And even the second driver, when she was about to start to go, still went. So you never, take what someone's doing to heart until you know that's what they're doing. Like, always be a defensive driver. That will prevent you from getting into accidents and prevent you from getting hurt or hurting other people's. Pay attention to stop signs and always wear your seatbelt when you are driving. And definitely when you are a first-time driver, please do not be afraid of the cops. The cops, don't really pay attention to you personally. They're there to help protect and serve. And if there's something going wrong, of course, they may stop you, whatever. But when you're first driving, I know I was very nervous to go around cops. Her first driving experience, there was a cop in the parking lot, and she's like, well, but, they didn't bother us. They seen us, and she was just fine. She drove just fine. She did such a good job. I'm excited for her. She doesn't even understand. She's very quiet now. I guess she feels like she did something, so she didn't have nothing to say. Are you gonna close the video out with me?
BG. Oh, I'm just playing.
Girl, I'm no BG. No, we're gonna close the video out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned to all my other videos that I have going on and that I have already posted on my channel. Make sure you also follow her on Instagram and on her TikTok, and I will leave all her information down below in my description box. And also to how to find me, how to follow me, how to connect me will always be in the description box as well. If you are a brand promotional person or ambassador, anybody looking for brand reviews and promotions, let me know. DM me or email me. All the information will be down below in the description box. With that being said, we are out of this video. Peace, love, and blessings. We're out.